get it as 60 degrees. So how I have done it, let me explain question number 4 again. So I have to make a line parallel to SP. Okay, then I can see they are making co-interior angle and sum of co-interior angle is 180 degrees. So I got the value of angle 1 as 50 degrees. After that, PQ and RU are parallel, so they are making alternate angles. So 110 degrees is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. I've substituted the value of angle 1, which we get it like 50 degrees. Then I got angle 2, and angle 2 comes out to be 60 degrees.
Okay, ma'am.
So please write it down in your copy.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written.
I'm written.
Okay. Okay, so let's come to question number 5. This is diagram 6.32. AB is parallel to CD and APQ is 50 degrees and PRD is 127 degrees. So you have to find the value of X and Y. So what you write in this question, you will write first given. So what is given? AB is parallel to CD. What is second point given? Angle APQ is equal to 50 degrees. And what is third point given? Angle PRD is equal to 127 degrees. So what you need to find? X and Y. Okay, so I am doing the solution. This is 50 degree, X is equal to 50 degree. They are called, if you look at, they are making alphabet Z.
Ma'am, alternate.
So X is equal to 50 degree. Reason, alternate angles. Okay, now you can take the help of this Z. So this is also making a Z. So 50 plus Y is equal to 127 degree. 50 plus Y is equal to 127 degree. What is the reason? As alternate angles are equal. So I got the value of Y as 127 minus 50. So both are alternate angles. You have to visualize the alphabet Z. This is Z, and if you look at this Z, this is also Z. So this is, both are alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal if lines are parallel.
Ma'am, written.
Okay. So we can move to the sixth sum. Okay, PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at point B and reflected rays move along the path BC and strike the mirror RS at C and again reflect back at CD. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. So I will be drawing perpendicular on this mirror. So I will name it draw BE and CS perpendicular on and RS respectively. So firstly we are making, this is in physics we call it normal. We are drawing perpendicular BE and CF on PQ and RS mirror. So this makes your first law, incident angle is equal to reflected angle. Similarly, this is angle of incidence and this is angle of reflection. ये आपने फिजिक्स में लॉ पढ़ा है, नॉर्मल के साथ जो इंसिडेंट रे बनाती है
Yes,
दैट
ma'am.
कॉल्ड इंसिडेंट एंगल और नॉर्मल के साथ जो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे बनाती है दैट इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. सो वी नो दैट एंगल ऑफ incidence is equal to angle of reflection, or we can say I is equal to R. So I can write I is equal to R angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. जो ये रे है BC ये नॉर्मल के साथ R बना रही है और यही रे BC नॉर्मल के साथ I बना रही है. So this I and R are also equal. Do you understand? ये BC रे है. This is BC ray. It is making normal के साथ एंगल बना रही है. नॉर्मल मतलब 90 डिग्री. परपेंडिकुलर के साथ एंगल बना रही है ये R. और यही रे परपेंडिकुलर के साथ एंगल बना रही है I.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, वही रे तो वही है. एंगल R इज इक्वल टू I. यहाँ पे भी यही है केस. एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं, एंगल R इज इक्वल टू एंगल I, which means alternate angles are equal. या फिर आप ऐसे भी सोच सकते हो ना कि दो लाइन्स अगर 90 डिग्री पर प्लेस्ड है तो वो दोनों लाइन्स जो 90 डिग्री पर प्लेस्ड है और ये ट्रांसवर्स है. These are two lines and this is transverse. तो ये दोनों 90 डिग्री वाली तो पैरेलल होंगी. And if two lines are parallel, then adjacent angles should be equal. तो यहाँ पे ऐसे भी सोच सकते हो कैसे सोच सकते हो? यू कैन राइट R इज इक्वल टू I as is parallel to CF as both are perpendicular lines. दोनों लाइन्स क्या है? परपेंडिकुलर लाइन्स हैं। तो दोनों लाइन परपेंडिकुलर है तो दोनों पैरेलल हैं। बिकॉज Q और R इज पैरेलल दिए हुए हैं ऑलरेडी, और तो उनपे भी 90 डिग्री बनाएगा तो वो भी तो पैरेलल होगा, isn't it? तो ये BE और CF पैरेलल है तो एडजेसेंट एंगल्स क्या होंगे? इक्वल होंगे। तो अभी हमें क्या मिल गया? R इज इक्वल टू I। आप इसका नाम बदल सकते हो, अगर आपको कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है तो इसको A और B दे दो, तो आपको एक जैसे नहीं लगेंगे वेरिएबल्स। तो यहाँ पे R इज इक्वल टू A लिख सकते हो। Why R is equal to A? क्योंकि B is parallel to CF है तो adjacent angles क्या होंगे? Equal. Therefore, adjacent angles are equal. Okay, अब हम यहाँ पे भी angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, so we can write angle A is equal to B. What is the reason? Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. अब इनकी नंबरिंग कर देते हैं. We can number it up as equation 1. We can number it up as equation 2. We can number it up as equation 3.
And so after comparison, R is equal to B.
हाँ, R is equal to B. इतना करूँगा. Can I move to the next? After that, what should I write? अब इसके बाद हम I plus R को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? क्योंकि I और R इक्वल है, so we can write it like 2R. देखो अभी हमने ऊपर लिखा है ना I is equal to R. This we have numbered it as 1. So we can write I is equal to R है, तो I plus R we can write it as 2R. How? By using इक्वेशन 1. मैंने इक्वेशन 1 को यूज करके I की प्लेस पे R रिप्लेस कर दिया. R प्लस R इज इक्वल टू 2R. सिमिलरली A इज इक्वल टू B है, तो A प्लस B क्या हो जाएगा? इट इज इक्वल टू 2A. बाय यूजिंग इक्वेशन 2. Equation 3, sorry. A is equal to B है equation 3 में, so I can write it 2A. So now I can write 2R is equal to 2A by equation 2. Equation 2 में हमने R और A बराबर बताए थे, तो 2R is equal to 2A होगा by using इक्वेशन 2. तो अब हमें बहुत बड़ी चीज मिल गई है. 2R और 2A अगर बराबर है, ये वाला एंगल और ये वाला एंगल बराबर है, तो एक तरीके से क्या है? एडजेसेंट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. इफ एडजेसेंट एंगल्स आर इक्वल देन लाइन्स will be parallel. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. So please do it. I'm just coming in a minute. Write it down, then I will explain it again.
Ma'am, written.
So is it written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm explaining you this question again. See how we have started. We have started by construction of perpendicular. So we have constructed B and CF as perpendicular. So we know that if two lines are perpendicular to the parallel lines, then they themselves are parallel to each other. So with the help of that and with the help of that law which says that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, we proceed. So I is equal to R because of that law and R is equal to A. Why R is equal to A? Because these two lines are parallel, then adjacent angles should be equal. And O is equal to B again because of angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Then we try to prove that this whole angle and this whole angle is equal. So that we have done. So after that we concluded that if adjacent angles are equal, then AB and CD should be parallel. So have you understand कैसे करना है ये question? Have you written it also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start the new exercise after that. That is the first theorem. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So if there are three angles in the triangle, we need to prove that their sum is 180 degree. This we call it angle sum property and that we use it like when we are small also in younger classes also. So let us do the proof of this theorem. The sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So I am making the triangle. I will name it angle 1, 2, 3 and I will name it 4. Okay. So now see what is the proof. Angle 4 is equal to 1 plus 2. This is called, if anybody know what we call this, when we are in class 7, we have done this. I'm talking about class 7. What is this property called?
Ma'am, exterior of it.
You are correct. Very good, Leona. It is called exterior angle property. What is exterior angle property? Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So exterior angle is 4. It is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So angle 4 is equal to 1 plus 2. I can number it as equation number 1. Okay, now I know that 4 plus 3 is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason?
Ma'am, linear.
Huh?
Ma'am, linear pair.
Very good. It is linear pair. Because two angles are together making a straight line. So this is called linear pair. So now I can just put the value of angle 4, put value of angle 4 from equation 1 to equation 2. इसको इक्वेशन 2 दे दो और 4 की वैल्यू उसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो. So we have proved that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees.
So, ma'am, angle 4 and angle 4 will be cancelling. That's why.
I'm not cancelling it, Mona. I'm substituting. Put the value of angle 4 from equation number 1. So I am taking the value of 4. So what is the value of 4? 1 plus 2. So I am putting it in equation number 2. So in place of 4, I have written 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degrees.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show the next page?
What is the branch?
Ma'am, can you show the next page?
Yeah. So can we proceed to the next? Okay, next theorem is if the side of triangle is produced, then exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So what is this theorem? If I draw a triangle and if I produce its one side, so it is making an exterior angle. So this is exterior angle. It is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So that we have to prove. So please write the statement, then I will tell you how to do.
Ma'am, written.
Okay, so firstly we will be writing angle 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason? We will say angle sum
Angle sum
properties of triangle. The sum of all angles is 180 degrees. We will number it up as 1. Now we will write angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. We will number it up 2, and what is the reason?
linear pair.
Linear pair.
Pair. So now compare equation 1 and equation 2. तो अगर आप कंपेयर करोगे 180 184 4, तो what you will get angle 1 is equal to angle 2 plus 3 and screw.
Ma'am, after compare, can you explain once?
So see RHS, it is both are 180, so they are equal. If you compare left hand side, then 4 and 4 they are same. So this means that the remaining should also be equal. So angle 1 should be equal to 2 plus 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, written.
Okay, so this complaints of theorem, there are 2 theorems given in this. So in all there are 8 examples, and I have not received any examples till now. So 2 examples of today. So you have to submit 8 solved examples from this chapter as homework. 8 solved examples from lines and angles.
Ma'am, I've done till 5th. I'll send you till.
So please complete it and then send
Yes, ma'am. I
all
will
8
and send.
solved examples. So have you faced any trouble or is it easy?
Ma'am, second one and 5th one was some trouble. 5th one I did it, but I couldn't do the second one.
Okay, so you have understood it by going through the solution.
Yes, ma'am. I understood with the solution.
So I'm breaking the meeting, then we will be starting with exercise 6.3.